how to update your payment method on the BetMGM app. Now, if you wish to update your payment method on the BetMGM app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the BetMGM application, and you must also make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, after you are logged into your account, basically you tap the login option and then you go ahead and then log in, right? What you have to do is you have to access the account settings. Then after that, within the settings menu, find the section related to payment methods, cashier or banking. Then you should see a list of your currently saved payment methods. From here, you can simply choose to edit. If you just want to edit or update the payment details, you can choose to remove or delete them, or you can even choose to add a new payment method. And once you've made any updates, you must be sure to save or confirm your changes. This way you'll be able to update your payment method on the BetMGM app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.